If you're in need of an Office or Windows 10 key that doesn't break the bank, cdkdeals.com has the best deals with awesome discount for everyone who's watching this video. Just head over their website in the link in the description below and search for Windows 10 and click buy. But before you submit order, enter code MAC20 for a 20% off of your total order, meaning you can have a legit Windows 10 Pro key for only $16. After paying, you'll instantly receive your Windows 10 Pro key. Or if you want to check your orders, just go to their user center and choose purchase orders. Now all you have to do next is install Windows in your newly built PC and use your new Windows 10 Pro key for activation. And by the way, they also offer game keys for Steam, Origin, Uplay, and as well as antivirus software if you're in need of that. For more information, just visit cdkdeals.com, links in the description below. So I got this m.2 heatsink for a while now, but I haven't really tried it yet. And today we're going to unbox it, check its physical overview, and of course I will go to guide you in installing this heatsink with your m.2. We'll talk about everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac here, and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get in the box? Obviously the heatsink itself, which has two parts, one at the top and one at the bottom with pre-applied thermal pad on both. It also has one extra thermal pad, 4 screws for the heatsink, 1 extra screw for your m.2, a mini screwdriver, and a manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the build is all metal with 3 copper heat pipes to dissipate heat. And just in case you are curious about its dimension, just check this out and pause the video. This is quite heavy, but I'm not really sure if this is going to hold up in your PC, but we're going to try it anyway. There's not much to say about this build, so let's just install it already. So installing this is quite straightforward. First, we'll remove the m.2 in my PC. Then we'll remove the stickers so that the thermal pads will serve its purpose. By doing this, keep in mind that you will void any warranty of your m.2, so be warned. With that said, let's just peel the thermal pad covers on this heatsink. Now place your m.2 in between and lock it in place by using the screws provided. I'm really sorry to disappoint you guys, but as I was trying to install the m.2 with the heatsink in my motherboard, I realized that it was too large and this part of the motherboard was on the way, so it won't fit at all. So that's really unfortunate. Perhaps I could just use this in my next PC build in the future. I'll try to do some comparison between with and without the heatsink if ever. So if you want to see that, just subscribe and click that bell icon. So that's it guys, this is Mac and I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If it does, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.